Are you tired of having cloudy yellow headlights on your Crown Vic police interceptor? Do you want to have beautiful headlights like these? For the low price of $69.99, you can! So get rid of your old headlights now! That's a lot of damage. Crown Vic tip number 3651, or around there, is replace the headlights. Now this auction Crown Vic has a nice headlight here. It's been recently replaced. You can see how clear that is. But look at this one over here. That is horrible. That is horrible. Crazed, just cheap plastic, affected by the UV rays from the sun. It goes yellow. There's nothing you can do. Now, okay, you could try to polish this up a little bit. It's not really going to work. It's yellow. So what do? Well, buy new headlights. Well, that's expensive. No, it's not. You can get two headlights for around 70 bucks, as I found out. And today, I'm going to show you how to replace this terrible headlight. Now, you want to replace your headlights because, well, you want to be able to see, of course. But also, if you're going to sell the car, you don't want one good-looking headlight and one bad-looking headlight. And also, if you have clean, brand new headlights, it makes the car look much better. Okay, these are my new headlights for the Crown Vic. I got them from Python Lighting. Lovely headlamps. Take it out. And take it out. And then nothing could be simpler. Remove. Easy. Okay, that exposes your headlights. And we're going to take off, actually that's my good side. This is the side I'm replacing. We're going to take off these two clips right here. Take them off, and that will allow your headlights to be removed. Okay, unplug your electrical connectors. Undo this ring. Take it off. Come on, off. Get off. Come on. Then you can remove your light bulbs by twisting. By pulling. Pull. Don't wreck these light bulbs. I'm going to reuse them. There we go. They're still good. And these are, let's see, these are they are HB59007s. There you go. And then we got a bulb over here. Twist and pull out. Twist and pull out. Twist and pull out. Twist and pull out. There we go. It's a little bit strange, but yeah, it's okay. It's working. There we go. Man, oh man, is this ever going to be a short video? It's not even going to be 10 minutes because this is so easy. Okay, so I've got the bulbs out, electrical disconnected, and now these two, I don't know if you can see this thing, these two brackets, you're going to lever these up just like this with a screwdriver. See, it's going to come up. Oh, there you go. That's one. And then we take it off. Then we do the same thing to this guy. We just lever it up with a screwdriver. Come on. Oh, did I break it? No, I did not break it. It's just loose. Take it off. Just like that. No, I did not break it. All right. Now, according to my theory, this headlight should just come right out. Oh man, could that be any simpler, everybody? Come on. Why am I even making a video? Okay, so There we go. Bad headlight. Good headlight. Now you can see the gigantic, ginormous, huge, magnificent difference between these two headlights. Who could not do this? And also, these look like works of art. They're so shiny. I love shiny things. Look at that. Shiny. Shiny. You gotta love that. Okay, the only other thing to discuss here is this is actually the adjustment for, you know, the headlight going up, down, round, you know, for proper things. So I would say that you probably want to have these roughly the same position on the old headlights compared to the new. Now they may already be in the proper position, I don't know, but I'm going to try and make it roughly the same, assuming that the police department actually had everything correctly adjusted, which they may or may not have had. Anyway, now we just put this guy in. Now the only thing to make sure is to remove, right where it says remove, make sure you remove the removes, right like that, right? And take your ring off, like that, and remove. Oh, and you can see on the old headlight here, we got a little sticker, Crown Vic, and there's the date on this part. And it's 7/17/2008. So this is an original headlight for that 2009 Crown Vic. So it's never been changed, and this is what happens after all those years. All right, now this should be pretty easy. We're gonna put in our brand new shiny sparkling light. Should just fit right on in there. Yes, sir. Right on in. Ooh, yeah. Look at that. Look at that. But we got to retain it with our metal retainers. Okay, we got her in. You can see we got 1 showing up, 2 and 3. We get our metal clips. We put it over, and then we're going to push down. That's right, we're going to push down. Come on, get in there. Oh. It worked. It worked. Okay, now for the second one. This one's a little harder because I've got 2 to go in. 2. Come on. Okay, as you can see, the 2 metal brackets are in. This one took a little effort. This one took quite a bit of effort. I was able to just push it in with my hands. You could have used maybe a hammer if you're careful, but basically I just used my hands. It's in, the headlight's in. Before, ugly lamp, nice lamp. Before, after. Doesn't that look awesome? It makes the car look 10 years younger. Not to mention, of course, now I can see to the right. I could see to the left, but I couldn't see to the right. That's awesome. And you can see how simple it is. Simple, 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 and cheap. So if you got bad headlights on your Crown Vic, you got no excuse. If you guys got bad headlights on your Crown Vic, you have no excuse. Okay, so it's time to put the bulbs back in their places. We'll put the amber turn signal bulb in first. He's going to go in just like so. He's going to be like a twister. You're going to go like this, and then you're going to twist him, and he's going to install. There we go. And twist to the right. Nope. Twist to the left. Nope. Twist. Let's twist again like we did last summer. Now it's time to get the bulb back in. The main headlight bulb. Just get it in carefully. You don't want to drop it. You want to make a mistake. And there is little slots that will fit into. You can sort of feel around. There it is. It's in the slots. If it fully seats down and you can't see any of the red little gasket stuff, that is seated down. Now we need to get the ring. Okay, the ring goes on. Okay, the ring goes on with the little tabs facing the headlight. Put it over. And then it'll fit into its position, and you can turn to the right. So now, let's put our lightning connector back in, and there we go. Done! Done, 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 done. Now, let's check and see if everything's working. Yes, headlights working. Headlights working. Awesome. Flashers are working. Awesome. I'd say this job is done. What do you guys say? New headlights. New headlights.